If you want to create a trendy video that could go viral and take advantage of the latest memes in social media, then Filmora Mobile is a video editing app you'll want to use. It's really easy to use one of the app's built-in templates, which are constantly getting updated to align with those changing trends in social media. And you can do that all within Filmora's mobile version. Here's how. So here I've got trending and a template section here. And specifically, I'm going to go to AI templates. So as you can see, there's a lot of different templates you can choose from where AI is going to take an image or multiple images and convert that into something that's trending on social media. So a popular one is to take an image and convert it into a figurine like this. So I'm going to click on this template and I'm going to click on generate. And then I'm going to select an image that I want to use to create a figurine from. So I'm going to select a picture of this dog. And then I'm going to click on import. Filmora is going to convert this into that figurine. And so all we have to do at this point is just wait, and it's going to do the rest for us. So here's the result. So as you can see, it's taken my image and converted it into a figurine along with accessories along with it. So just by putting in an image and selecting to generate, Filmora Mobile is going to take that image and do the rest with it. And then we can save it. We can also edit it if we want. We can go back and create another template from those other options. So a really easy way to do that is just using Filmora's mobile app, just because there's so many templates you can choose from. So if there's a different one, you want to use a different image, you can go back in and recreate those or use different templates, whether it's an AI template or birthday template. There's all sorts of other preset templates that you can choose from on here, and the trending tab is a good place to look, as this is where you'll find a lot of trending ideas for your videos that you can apply. So with Filmora Mobile, there's a lot of different options available that you can use, so you'll never run low on ideas, and you won't have to worry about doing the process yourself, just because all you have to do is just provide an image and Filmora Mobile will take care of the rest for you. So it's a really cool program and app to check out, and right now you can get 45% off if you sign up today. So be sure to check out the link in the description for this video.